Good evening, folks. Here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2003 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor street appearance package from the city of Long Beach, California. Former detective vehicle for the city of Long Beach, California, with 68,000 miles, and the vehicle is original Spruce Green Metallic. I hope I pronounced that the right way. Original factory color is Spruce Green Metallic. All right, I hope I said that right, and I hope I'm not chopping it up. Yes, that is correct, folks. This vehicle does only have 68,000 miles, all original, from the city of Long Beach, California. So this is a California car, no rust on it whatsoever. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. Vehicle does have some tiny, minor, little scratches. It does have some door dings from parking lot wars, but nothing major or big to worry about, folks. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a fresh new window tint. That's gonna be 15% all around. For those of you that are interested and you don't like the tint in the front windows, I can always have that removed upon request. For now, I'm leaving it the way it is. No holes on the body whatsoever. No holes on the body whatsoever. She looks super nice and very sharp. Once again, this was a detective unit from the city of Long Beach, California, and with 68,000 miles and being a 2003, this is gonna be a classic right here. And I'm sure this vehicle did a lot of parking lot time, and judging by the condition of the vehicle and the paint, I'm sure she was parked in a covered garage and not outside exposed to Mother Nature. Folks, just so you know, I do have some bumper scuff marks, which you guys can see right there on the rear driver's side. I hope no neighbors are coming in here. There you go, guys. Scuff marks on the rear bumper. No crack though, no cracks. It's just a scratch, but you know it's there, so it's my job to let you know that we have something in place. And if we go to the passenger side of the rear bumper, I do have what it appears to be a minor mishap here. Perhaps whoever was driving this vehicle, they backed up into a wall. This is what this looks like right here. Somebody backed up into a wall and scratched it. That's what I'm gonna say happened there. Aside from that, folks, you do have some scratches once again and some door dings, but again, nothing big or major to worry about. Vehicle does have a semi-new set of Goodyear Eagles RSAs. These are going to be the 225/60/16. I'm glad the vehicle came with great tires all around, because these RSAs are getting hard to get. So semi-new tires from that department. Thank you very much, City of Long Beach. 225/60/16 Goodyear RSA Eagles. No spotlights on the vehicle. Once again, this was a detective unit, so detective units don't usually come with spotlights. Folks, just so you know, I did give you a brand new set of OEM headlights and OEM side markers, along with new light bulbs all around. That is correct, folks. I gave you a brand new set of OEM Ford factory headlights and OEM Ford factory side markers. The ones that came with the car, they were yellowish and they didn't look right. Lucky for me, this is something that I do have in stock and inventory, so I can always just pull and go, not a problem. I do have some shipping right underneath the front grille, some chips right there. The chrome grille looks fine, no bubbling, no paint peeling, okay? Again, folks, some scratches right here. All right, scratches with door dings. Let's go inside real quick. Folks, for being a 2003, this vehicle is in excellent excellent shape all around. Let me tell you, I've seen newer cars beat up and destroy. This one, I'm telling you, she just sat in the parking lot waiting for a detective to drive her around. All right, here we go, folks. I do have a mint matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Matching floor mats with nice carpeting floor. No tears in the carpet on this one. No tears in the carpet. Seats are super nice. Rear doors, it is a detective unit, so yes, they are fully reassembled from factory. So if you do have passengers, they'll be able to get in and out of the vehicle if they're in the rear with no problem. Your passengers in the rear seat. This is gonna be a Zebra 5 rear axle. Zebra 5 rear axle. Electric driver's side seat. Electric driver's side seat right here. Driver's side seat is in perfect shape. Passenger side seat, it's in perfect shape. Vehicle does have working cruise control. Working cruise control here, folks. Driver's side floor mat, it's got some wear, but aside from that, it's nice and clean. No tears whatsoever, folks. No tears. Vehicle does have a full manual here that goes with the car. 3 keys. This vehicle came with 3 keys. So let me. I got a neighbor here. Let me see if I have to move. Let me move real quick here. You know me, Mario sure knows how to be in the way of his neighbors. Sorry, reverse right here real quick. We're reversing it, guys. Just bear with me, be patient. I still have some time left. All right. Let's put her back in park. All right, folks. Vehicle does have. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Sorry, 7 minutes already. Vehicle does have 68,000 miles, so we're gonna round that up to 69. I am driving the vehicle around, so the miles are gonna be a little bit high, but not a lot. Stereo does work. This one does have AM, FM, and tape deck. All right, all 4 speakers do work. New ticket light lens. Ticket light does work. Map lights do work. Blackout option is on enable on this vehicle, so every time the doors open, the lights will turn on inside the vehicle, inside the cabin. Once again, cruise control, honk works. It's in park, okay, check. Am I forgetting anything? Oh, the vehicle also does have a nice and cold air conditioner. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Okay. 8 minutes, the clock is ticking. All right, folks, this is gonna be the trunk. Exposed wires for the strobes, I'm leaving that alone. I'm not sure if the next owner is gonna have different plans for it, so I'm leaving it alone. All right. Vehicle does have a brand new matching spare tire in the back, spare tire and wheel, hold down pen inside, floor jack on the right. Okay. Yes, super nice and clean trunk right here. Very spacious. Let's go to underneath the hood, and I will show you the services. I will tell you what was done to this vehicle. Once again, this vehicle did receive the Mario's Touch. Very special care for you guys, let me tell you. All my cars get the Mario's Touch. All right. Folks, once again, my detail crew did an amazing job bringing this vehicle back to life from what she was. She was dirty. You know, they all come dirty from the auction. So for those of us that are familiar, we know what we're looking at when these vehicles do come out. So my detail crew did an amazing job bringing her out, bringing her back to life. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was cleaned out. I do have 8 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic, 520 full synthetic oil service was done. Transmission was also serviced, and I did use Motorcraft Mercon 5 fluid and filter for this one. Before I forget, we did have the air conditioner recharged on this one. It was working, but it was running low. I was able to hear the clutch engaging every 2 minutes. That told me that the Freon was running low, so I did have the AC system recharged. and we also put a new orifice tube inside the AC line, which is the AC filter. Okay, for that department, the vehicle does have a brand new battery. Vehicle does have a semi-new drive belt. Tells me they replaced it. The tensioner also appears to have been replaced from that department. Great new tires from that department. Brakes, I did have them checked out. They were around 75%. So I went ahead and left those alone, guys. No brakes were needed at this time from that department. Again, it's got a brand new, let me clean this up here, sorry. Brand new EGR valve and a brand new purge valve solenoid here. These two components are new from that department. I got another neighbor leaving. So yeah, those two items were replaced from that department. Sorry, neighbors I'm just in the way today. Once again, guys, the whole vehicle has been completely service detailed, doesn't need any repairs on it whatsoever. If you see something you like here, please do not hesitate to make contact. I'm not sure how long this vehicle is gonna stick around for, so if you see something you like, please give me a call. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed weekend out there. God bless and take care.